Okay guys, George, Handyman Hints. Yeah, in between videos here, my wife was telling me that this fixture is loosening up. Okay, so see if I can get my hand on it here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see. It's kind of loose. You see the way it's flopping around there? This is loose. Everything's loose. Okay, so and it still works. You know, this works, but there's a lot of play in it. So something's going on with it, okay? So what I've discovered was behind here, this, it's not focused too good, but there's a hole right here. Okay, I'm guessing it's a Allen. So I got my Allen wrenches here. Okay, and I'm gonna grab one here. I think this might be it. Okay, and I'm gonna go behind here, get you in here. So I gotta feel, I don't know if this is it or not. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on the side for a second here. I don't know if I can prop this up somehow. I'm gonna try. Maybe not such a good idea. Maybe it'll work. Okay. So I'm just trying to see if I can get this wrench in here. Oh, it is the right size. Okay, so I don't know if you guys, yeah, you can see it's stuck in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just turn it, wiggle the handle at the same time. Okay, yeah, I think that did it. To be honest with you. Okay, I'm gonna give it a good turn without breaking it. Okay. Let's see what we got. I think that did it. Alright. That's it. I'm just gonna see if I tighten it this way. I think the arm is too short to, yeah, so I gotta go the long way. Okay. It's alright. I'm gonna put something on this. Hang on. Get the thing in there again. It's a little tricky, but I'll bring it in closer to show you what I got here. It definitely tightened up. Getting it in there again is another story. But okay, I'll just be patient. There it goes. Okay. So I'd like to take maybe a. Let's see what I got here to grab. Oh, you know what? This is the best tool ever. And I'll show you it when I find it. There it is. It's the old Letterman here. Does it all. Okay, open this up. Okay, and what it is a pair of pliers. Okay, and we're just gonna grab the end of this. See if you can see this. Yeah, I think you can. Hope you can. Just gonna grab it with the pliers. I just want to give it a little extra turn. I don't want this thing loosening up again. I got the same one down south too. I think I got it. Feels like I got it. Okay. Sometimes you gotta make sure that sucker's all the way in there. Okay. And then you just take the pliers, squeeze it on the end. Be careful. That's all you can do is just be careful. Okay. I'm not pushing it no more than that. Okay. And bring it in really close if I can. And that's what I'm doing from the back end here. It's a little cruddy back here. I'm gonna have to put some stuff on that. All right, well, anyway, whatever. Okay, and that's it. She's tight. I can't even undo it. That's great. Okay, and let's see what we got here. Should be good. Oh yeah, night and day. All right. That's too hot. Hold. That's it. Right there. That's the way to do it. Cool. It was really sloppy in here. Nice. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's how you tighten the Moen. Let's see if we can back it up. Here we go. Moen. Oh, what the hell do you call it? High rise faucet, whatever. I don't know the name of the thing. It's an antique something it's called. Anyway, it's a Moen, and most of them are the same. There's an Allen key somewhere in there. Sometimes you can't always get to it, but that's how you do it, okay? Just a quick video, but it came up, and anytime I am able to film, I film. Okay, guys? And this is the tool I was talking about. There's a Letterman. My son gave me this thing. It's great. It does all kinds of stuff. There's screwdrivers and can openers, and there's a file in here and a pair of pliers, as you can see. All right, guys? Well, always a pleasure. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video real soon. Okay, you guys have a great day. Take care now. Bye.